This is a question from computer organization. Which of the following statements is or are not correct about NUMA? We are asked to find out the statements which are not correct about NUMA. And what is NUMA? It stands for non-uniform memory access. Non-uniform memory access. It is a memory design used in multiprocessor system where each processor has got its own local memory but can also access memory local to other processors. So this architecture helps in improving the performance by reducing the contention for shared memory resources. So here it is a architecture for multi-processor system. Processor system. So processor can access its own local memory and other processors memory also. Other processors memory also. This is the basic information about NUMA. Now let's see each of the options. First one, load and store instructions are used to access remote memory. This statement is correct because a processor in NUMA can access its own local memory as well as memory of a remote processor as well. So using load and store instruction, they access the remote memory. This option is true. Second one, there is a single address space visible to all CPU. This statement is also correct. All CPUs see a single shared address space which is broken into multiple nodes. Each node has its own local memory which can act as faster when compared to other nodes. So each CPU see a single address space which is broken into multiple nodes, multiple nodes. So this statement is also correct. Let's see if we can eliminate any of the options. Since A and B is not anywhere in together, we cannot eliminate anything as of now. Now option C. Access to local memory is slower than access to remote memory. This statement is false. The basic architecture of NUMA itself states that access to local memory will be faster when compared to access to remote memory. So option C is false. So it can be among one of the correct options. So we can eliminate this because there is no option C here. We can eliminate option C also because no C is present here. Either A and C or C and D is the correct answer. Now let's see option D. When the access time to remote memory is hidden, the system is called NC NUMA. This statement is also incorrect. This statement is also false. So when the high latency of remote memory access is hidden by caching or any other techniques, the system is called cache only memory architecture and not NC NUMA. It is this system or this is called as cache only memory architecture, that is COMA, and it is not called NC NUMA. So D is also false. So D and C only will be the correct answer. And let's see option E. In CC NUMA, coherent caches are present. Yes, this statement is also correct. CC NUMA stands for cache coherent non-uniform memory access. In CC NUMA, all nodes have a coherent view of the memory. So this option is also true. So we are asked to find out the options which are not correct. The options which are not correct are C and D. So from the options, option D. C and D only is the correct answer here.